The beauty of handwritten letters, postcards, and meticulous writing are getting lost with digital advancement. Today is National Handwriting Day. At one time, written script was the mark of an evolved civilization. Writing, the element that separates prehistory from history, is a key skill that elevates human civilization and allowing us to communicate and trade on a large scale. Humans are the only species who can communicate through written symbol. A person's handwriting is as much a part of their character as the way they speak, they look, and walk. Around 330 BC, the famous philosopher Aristotle explained handwriting is the visible form of speech, expression of emotions underlying the writer's thoughts, ideas, and desires. The study of handwriting is a career path to evaluate personality and mental traits. A handwriting is as unique to a person as a fingerprints. The art of handwriting is the art of discovering what you believe.